Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my lovely friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all the YouTube family, I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor and for your support. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video, I am providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet bouquets. It's very beautiful and cool color combination and designs. I hope you all love these type of most popular and most trending designs. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are very stunning and very unique. I hope you all love these type of most popular and most trending designs. So we will share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs of handmade crochet bouquets. It's very beautiful and cool color combination and themes are so attractive. So I hope they will love this beautiful and popular collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. Pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for your loved one. And thank you so much Viva for watching my this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So Viva, now I am sharing with you the benefit of crochet bouquets. Long lasting, unlike fresh flowers, crochet bouquets would not wilt and die, making them a great option for decorations and gifts. Crochet bouquets are perfect for those with allergies and or sensitivity, as they would not produce pollen and release allergies. You can create crochet bouquets in various color, sizes, and style to match any theme and decoration and occasions. Use meaningful colors or yarn to make the bouquet extra special and personalized. Crochet bouquets require and watering, pruning, or unkeep, making them a convention options. Once you can the yarn and hook, when you have the yarn and hook, you can create multiple crochet bouquets without incurring addition costs. Crochet bouquets are eco-friendly alternative to fresh flowers, which often have a certification carbon footprint. You can easily adjust the size, color, and design of your crochet bouquet to fit your needs. Crochet bouquet can be treasured as a keepsake and memento for years to come. Crochet bouquets allow you to express your creativity and showcase for your handmade craftsmanship. Crochet articles are very beautiful and lasting alternative. Crochet fresh flowers, crochet bouquet are a stunning and creative way to capture the beauty of flowers without the hassle of wilting and maintenance. With yarn and a hook, you can create a gorgeous long-lasting arrangements that's perfect for any occasion. Benefit of crochet bouquets, and now I'm sharing with you the make benefits and make it extra special by using meaningful colors and yarns. Create crochet bouquets according to your size. Easy step to create a crochet bouquet. Choose your yarn and hooks. Select a color and select a flower pattern and create your own. Crochet the flowers and leaves. Assemble the crochet bouquets using floral wire or a hot glue. Add finishing touches like wrapping the stamps and adding decorative elements. Tips are here: using different yarn textures and colors to create a unique look. Add greenery like fresh and original for a more realistic touch. Experiment with various flowers, shapes and size. Create a themed bouquet using specific colors and motifs, wedding, holidays and seasonals. With crochet bouquet, you can enjoy the beauty of flowers without any force. Get creative and happy crocheting. Feel free to ask me if you have any specific questions or need further assistance. So I am here for you. I hope you all love these beautiful ideas, and I hope you all are understand with the details of project bouquets and the benefit of crochet bouquets. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, accessories, home decoration, kids toys, granny squares, and crochet has many benefits like relaxation and stress relief, creative expression and self-expression, easy to take with you on the go. Choose your own yarn, colors and pattern. Make your own items inspired to of buying them. And the one item in crochet stitching included chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and travel crochet. So we were if you are interested in learning how to crochet, there are many sites and many online resources, and I am also available for learn you for how to crochet and tutorials available to help you get started, viewers. I hope you all are understand with the details of crochet benefits, and now let's start, viewers, and make your crochet articles, and also comment me what you want next video. So thank you so much, viewer, for watching this video. If you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me.